warm on Earth, it should be warm in space. Well, at least in the space in between us and the sun.
The actual space between two celestial objects is cold. And that's because space is an almost perfect vacuum, which means there aren't a lot of molecules or stuff in space. And all of the stuff that there is are stars and planets and asteroids and moons. Heat travels from the sun and through space as radiation, which is a wave of energy. And when those waves bump into something, it heats up. The Earth is warm because when that radiation from the sun reaches Earth, it hits molecules in the Earth's atmosphere and on the surface. When that radiation comes and hits a molecule, it excites it and heats up, and then that molecule bumps into neighboring molecules and excites them, and then the heat spreads. Our atmosphere holds a bunch of gas and air for the sun to heat up. But space isn't warm because there's nothing to warm up. That radiation will just keep traveling until it hits something. And objects without atmospheres aren't as lucky as Earth. The moon doesn't really have an atmosphere or air, so the part of the moon that's receiving sunlight and radiation gets really hot, but the part of the moon that's not receiving sunlight gets really cold. And without an atmosphere, the hot surface of the moon has no air molecules to transfer that heat to, which is why the moon can't retain heat like Earth can.